If you're hoping to make your new boyfriend or crush fall for you, there are several effective strategies you can employ. First, give him your undivided attention. Being engaged in conversations shows you care. Let your personality shine and don't hesitate to reveal your interest, as this makes you more approachable. It's essential to express your feelings both verbally and through your actions, demonstrating affection and vulnerability to foster intimacy. Keep things fresh by trying new activities together, which will create shared memories and deepen your connection. Support him in his endeavors and respect his boundaries, as mutual respect and empathy build a strong foundation in any relationship. Finally, maintain your self-confidence and be authentic, as self-assurance is inherently attractive. Flirting through playful teasing, eye contact, and genuine compliments can also help keep the spark alive, encouraging him to want to know you better.